I recently moved into an old farmhouse, and while I absolutely love the rustic style of these old houses, what I don't love is the draft. Before we begin, please check the description area first. There are listed links to original project and tutorial that exist in this video. Here, DIY draft stoppers to keep your home warm and toasty this winter. 1. Easy 30-minute DIY draft stopper. This draft stopper can be made in about half an hour, and it's really cute when it's finished. You can use this to stop drafts under doors or around your windows. 2. DIY Patchwork Draft Stopper. Patchwork pattern, and it's much easier to make than you may think. Just choose a selection of fabrics in different colors and designs and sew them together in a row. This draft. 3. Rice-filled draft stopper. You don't have to have sand to fill your draft stoppers. This one is filled with rice and it's super easy to make. 4. Cat litter filled DIY draft stopper. This easy draft stopper is filled with cat litter and takes very little time to make. For this one, you will need about half a yard of cotton fabric and 5 pounds of cat litter. 5. Denim door draft stopper. An old pair of blue jeans is great for creating a draft stopper. Not only is denim pretty thick so it will keep that air out, it's also a great rustic looking fabric so it matches your rustic decor. 6. Boxy door draft blocker. This cute little door draft stopper not only keeps air out, it keeps out light and sound so you can use it indoors under kids' rooms to help them to sleep at night. 7. DIY Faux wood draft stopper. I love the look of this faux wood draft stopper. This one is made from cat litter, but you could stuff it with just about anything you want. 8. Elegant DIY lace trim draft stopper. For some rooms, you just need something a bit more elegant to stop those drafts. This lace trim draft stopper is easy to make and it is decorated with doilies and pom-poms to give it a really great Victorian era look. 9. No Sew DIY Faux Fur Draft Blocker. I really love this faux fur draft blocker. Not only is it really easy to make, it's just really fun. This is made from a rolled up faux fur rug. 10. Upcycled fuzzy sock draft stopper. Who knew there were so many uses for mismatched socks? If you have 2 or 3 socks that are mismatched or otherwise going unworn, you can turn them into a wonderful draft stopper to keep that cold air out. 11. DIY Pom Pom Draft Stopper. This Pom Pom Draft Stopper has such a wonderful look with its many colors and polka dots. You can make this one with any colorful fabric that you want and then add the pom-poms, which are super easy to make. 12. Under door draft blocker. A pool noodle can be used to make this great under door draft blocker that stops air from coming into your house in 2 different places. 13. Cute row of houses draft blocker. This draft blocker is so adorable and it's made from upcycled materials. It looks like a little row of houses. If you want something really decorative to stop those drafts, this one is perfect. 14. Easy crochet draft stopper. If you love to crochet, you can use that love to create this gorgeous striped draft stopper. This is such an easy pattern, and if you are not a fan of stripes, just do it all in one color. 15. Upcycled plastic bag draft stopper. You don't necessarily have to have sand or rice to fill your draft blockers. This one is filled with upcycled plastic bags. 16. DIY No Sew Draft Snake. This draft blocker or draft snake is made by simply filling long socks or tights with rice and then tying off the ends into a knot. How easy is that? If you have drafts that you need to block, especially if you have several and want to save money, this is the perfect stopper. 17. Cute Tree Branch Draft Stopper. This draft stopper looks just like a branch from a birch tree and it's really easy to make. You will need fabric that resembles wood for this one as well as a few scraps for the leaves and fiber fill to stuff your draft blocker.